Hi everybody, it's Positive Bluebird, and I'm going to show you this DIY organizer made from a box today. By the way, this box will be for sale down the road, and I will announce that later with other crafts that I have made. First, you're going to need a regular box and cut the flaps off. You can choose any size that you wish. Some colored masking tape that you can find at Walmart, Target, or online. Gorilla hot glue sticks, a hot glue gun, and wooden buttons. And then you could buy regular Mod Podge, or you could buy the high gloss, but it'll take a few days to dry versus 5 to 10 minutes. And the regular Mod Podge shows a little bit of gloss, so it's not too bad. I used regular masking tape on the inside, and I Mod Podged on the inside as well, including the outside and on top of the buttons. The buttons are hot glued, but then Mod Podged just to secure in place. Add a little shine. There you have it, everybody. You can use this for anything for storage, such as files, cardstock, makeup brushes, toys, pretty much anything. Very easy to make, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Peace out and stay positive.